Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your AliExpress coins to get extra discounts on your purchases. Let's get started! Step 1. First, go to aliexpress.com. Click on your profile icon, then select Coins from the menu. Step 2. Once you're in the Coins page, click the Collect button daily to earn more coins. It's totally free. Step 3. Now scroll down or search AliExpress for the product you want. Look for items that show extra % off with coins. This means you can use your coins on that item. Step 4. Once you've chosen your product, click Buy Now. If the product accepts coins, they'll be automatically applied and the discount will show on your order summary. Bonus tip. You can also exchange your coins for select coupons inside the coins section, perfect for stacking up more savings. And that's how you use AliExpress coins to get a discount. If this helped you save, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more online shopping tips. See you next time!